Hey, I'm Sahan from DetailsPro, and I'm here to tell you everything that's new in version 1.4. So the biggest feature is one called helpful sizes. So in this update, it's really easy to start a design in a lot of common sizes that you may need. So if you look on the iPad here, you'll see that I've got the large widget size at the moment. Got this cute dog in this photo memory example. So all of the iOS 14 widget sizes are here, and there's also some device sizes, and in the future this will be expanded to more devices. And also you'll be able to customize and extend this by putting in the custom sizes that are important to you and your work or you and your team. So let me show you how this works. I've got large widgets set at the moment. I can tap on this right here and get a little menu with all the other options. And if I change it to, say, the small widget size, you'll see that the amount of space that you can design in just gets changed in DetailsPro. And what just happened there is actually pretty awesome, right? Because this design is reacting, and it doesn't look bad. Honestly, this was just made at the large size, and it's working okay because the text is pretty small, but this right here is the magic of SwiftUI and why we design with SwiftUI in DetailsPro. On the left, if you look, we've got vertical stacks, horizontal stacks, text and spacers, lots of pretty basic tools from SwiftUI, but if you are totally new to SwiftUI, don't worry at all if any of that doesn't make sense. I'm gonna follow up with another video that really just starts at the foundation and starts from nothing and builds up something. So this video is more just about what's the latest in this new update. Look forward to that video with the basic introduction. But yeah, so that's helpful sizes. All right, the other big feature in this update is a collection of small workflow improvements. A lot of people were reaching out asking to make it easier and faster to create stacks. I had experienced this myself. It took a lot of steps before, but basically let me show you what I'm talking about and what the new feature is. So before, let's say you had this little text element down there and you actually wanted to put that in a horizontal stack because you wanted hello world to be all the way on the other side. This is what you would do before this update. You would go plus horizontal stack, you would drag this in, and then now that it's in the stack, I can add a spacer beside it and you'll see it gets pushed over. A lot of steps just to get the stack and to put the thing in there, right? So let me go ahead and undo. Here's the updated workflow in 1.4. You can hold your finger down on the design element. There's a new option called New Stack with Item. If I tap on that, I can do New Horizontal Stack. And just like that, there's a horizontal stack with the thing that we had already in there. So yeah, that's the first one. The other part of this workflow improvement is actually the ability to convert stacks. So if you have a horizontal stack and you realize you want it to be vertical and so on and so forth, you can do that now. So I'll show you how that's done. You can just go ahead and I'm gonna delete this first. You can go ahead and hold your finger down on one of these and there's convert stack. I'm gonna convert that vertical stack into a horizontal stack. And just like that, you can see that those two text elements are now beside each other. Now, this isn't really what we want for this design, so I'm gonna go ahead and convert it back. Convert stack, convert to vertical. And let me fix that alignment. So those are the top two new features in DetailsPro version 1.4. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions or any feedback, as always, feel free to reach out. Inside the app, on socials, I've got so many ways for you to communicate and send your messages and your complaints, and I want to hear all of them. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a great day.